Are you still making hot chocolate from a dusty powder? You deserve better! What if I told you that you could make a rich, velvety, decadent hot chocolate at home that rivals the best cafes using just a few simple ingredients? In the next few minutes, let's make the best hot chocolate of your life. First, forget the powder. The secret to incredible hot chocolate is using incredible real chocolate. You'll want a good quality dark or semi-sweet chocolate bar. The better the chocolate, the better the final drink. This is where all the flavor comes from. Step 1, gently heat your milk. In a saucepan over a medium-low heat, warm up whole milk until it's steaming gently. You don't want it to boil, just get it nice and hot. This is the perfect canvas for our chocolate. Step 2, melt in the chocolate. While your milk is warming, finely chop your chocolate. Once the milk is steaming, take it off the heat and add the chopped chocolate. Let it sit for a minute to soften, then whisk it all together until you have a smooth, rich, and completely melted chocolatey base. Step 3, the finishing touches. This is where you customize it. Whisk in a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate flavor and a little sugar if you like it sweeter. For an extra rich flavor, you can even add a splash of vanilla extract. Now, pour your rich, velvety hot chocolate into your favorite mug. And for the final decadent touch, top it with a generous dollop of freshly whipped cream and a delicate dusting of cocoa powder or some chocolate shavings. This isn't just a drink, it's an experience, a truly satisfying, comforting, and luxurious treat that you can make in your own kitchen in minutes. If you're ready to upgrade your hot chocolate game forever, please hit that like button and subscribe to Another How To Guru. What's your favorite topping for hot chocolate? Let us know in the comments.